Oats were once considered as one of the healthiest breakfasts in the whole world. But is it still true in today's time? Well, the oats most people are eating today are not the same healthy traditional oats that we used to eat. Today we are eating instant oats, oat bars, oat cereals, and oat milks. And all of these are very high in different kinds of chemicals, specifically pesticide residues and mold toxins. And plus they have been modified from the traditional form, so they are very less in fiber and protein, which was the main health benefit of oats. So what exactly happened to oats from being one of the healthiest breakfast foods to now actually harming your body? Well, that's the reason I created today's video, to exactly discuss what is the problem with modern oats. But the good news is that if you choose your oats correctly, if you prepare them in the right manner, and you pair them with the right foods, then they can become healthy again for your body. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give you my oat safety guide, which consists of 4 practical steps to make oat safe again for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a former Cleveland Clinic functional medicine physician from US. I help people improve their chronic diseases by making personalized functional medicine plans. So let me share with you the problems that we are facing with oats currently and also the solutions to fix those problems. Now, traditionally, oats were simple. What that means is that they were minimally processed. But the modern day oats, the way they are grown, we add a lot of insecticide and pesticide residues to them. Specifically, high amount of pesticides are added these days to ripen the oat crop evenly. That increases the yield of these oat crops. So in today's time, if you're eating conventional oats, then you are getting exposed to high amount of pesticides, which definitely damages your gut, causes leaky gut and high amount of inflammation in your body. So what is the solution? Try to go organic. Organically grown oats have less amount of these pesticides in them. The second problem with oats is that they are marketed as high fiber food. Well, traditional oats did had a soluble fiber called beta glucan, which showed in research studies that it can lower cholesterol and also improve your gut health. But in today's time, when you're eating instant oats or rolled oats or even oat bars, all of these have been stripped off from the fiber they originally had. In fact, these 3 categories of oats have high amount of carbohydrates and very minimal fiber. So they actually harm your gut and also increases your sugar spikes in your body. What is the solution? The only solution over here is to make sure that you are buying steel cut oats. The steel cut oat variety is the only one which still has the beta glucan fiber that gives you all the benefits of improving your gut health, improving your heart health, as well as not giving you any sugar spikes. The third problem with food industry today is that oats have been often told that they are high protein breakfast. Well, it is only partially true. Oats do have some protein in them, but that protein is not enough to start your day properly. And in the morning, we need high amount of protein with good amount of fiber to support your healthy gut and healthy metabolism. So for that, you need to add additional protein to your oats so they can become a complete protein breakfast for you. The easiest solution out here is that you can just add some nuts and seeds with your oats. These simple seeds can be pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, or nuts like almonds and walnuts are also great. But the star seed over here is chia seeds, because chia seeds are very high in protein, doesn't have any simple carbohydrates, plus they are high in omega fatty acids also. So that's the protein fix for oats in the morning. The last issue with oats is that they have something called lectin and adenine compounds. Both these compounds in some people can cause gut irritability as well as gut inflammation. Plus in some people, lectins can also interfere with absorption of certain vitamins and minerals from your gut. Now, lectins are present in other plant-based foods also, not only in oats. But yes, for some people, specifically if they have high amount of inflammation, if they have autoimmune conditions like Hashimoto's or anything else, then oats can actually irritate their gut and worsen inflammation in their body. Now, to lower these lectin-containing compounds, if you soak the steel-cut oats for few hours, that reduces the amount of lectin in oats. And plus, if you cook them for longer amount of time, again that reduces the lectins over there. Alright, now let me share with you my Dr. Gupta's oat safety guide. 4 steps if you follow, then you can make these oats really healthy for you. Step 1 over here is that choose the right oats. Try to stay away from rolled oats or instant oats. Instead, try to get steel cut oats. And even in that, try to get organic steel cut oats so you get the minimal pesticide residue and highest amount of fiber and protein in these steel cut oats. That's step one. Step two is storing these oats properly. Oats are very prone to mold toxins. If you do not store them properly, then mold can grow in them and that can actually damage your gut and your body. So, for that, buy small quantities of oats at a time and then store them in airtight jar so mold cannot reach them. Step 3, prepare and cook these oats in the right fashion. So for this, try to soak steel cut oats for a few hours. If that is not a possibility, try to at least soak them 30 minutes. And take your time while you are cooking these oats so they are completely cooked so you reduce the amount of lectins in them. That's step 3. And now here's the step 4. Make sure you combine these oats with other high protein foods, which typically could be nuts and seeds like chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, almonds, or walnuts. Or alternatively, you can do high protein, non flavored Greek yogurt also. So, today you get to know the problems we are facing with oats these days. But the good part is that if you follow that 4-step guide that I shared with you, then you can make these oats healthy again for you. Okay. Share in the comment section if you specifically realize after listening to what I shared where the problem might be with your oats. So it is not about the oats, but how you consume them and how you prepare them makes a whole lot of difference. Please like and subscribe to my channel so you keep on getting this kind of information in the future also, as well as share this video with others who might benefit from it. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.